Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install 2FAuth on Runtipi using BigBearRuntipi. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home labs or installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So, if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So let's get back to your registered programming. So this is what I'll be installing today, 2FAuth. It's a web app to manage your two-factor authentication accounts and generate their security codes. This is what it looks like. Here's some screenshots. And the purpose, the main features: manage your two-factor authentication accounts, organize them using groups, scan and decode any QR code to add account in no time, add custom account with QR code thanks to advanced form, edit accounts, even the imported ones, generate security codes and Steam codes. So that's what we will be installing today. So I'm going to start on BigBearRuntipi. There will be a link down in the YouTube description to get to this. And I did make a how to set up BigBearRuntipi on Runtipi video. So go look at that and then come back here. So now I'm going to go to the search and type 2FAuth. And then I'm going to go to the directory right here. So the metadata has the description for the App Store, and then the logo, and then the config.json. So the name of the app, the port, and this is the proxy port. So you'll go to the Runtipi IP and then this port, and it'll use traffic to proxy it to the container. The UID and the GID available is set to true. Exposable is true. The ID, the Tipi version, the categories, the description for the App Store, the short description, the author, the source, the website, the form fields are empty, the supported architectures that the Docker image supports. So over here in Docker Compose, the architectures of this image. So it's ARM64 and AMD64. So now the image, it's coming off Docker by default because there's no error before this. And this is the Docker image. This is the Docker image tag. Container name is going to be set to 2FAuth. The volume down here, so the app directory is a dynamic a variable. And then data in that one. And then on the container side is 2FAuth. So this is the host side, and then this is the container side. And then now ports, so the app port, and that would be over in the config.json, this port right here, so 8235. And then on the container is 8000. So on the host, and then on the container. So environment variables, so the asset URL, and then the app URL, and then networks, we're going to set it in the Tipi main network. And then the labels, so the main traffic settings, and then the web router, the web secure, the local domain secure. So that's a little bit about the files in BigBearRuntipi. So now we're going to go to the head and go to the App Store, and then 2FAuth, we're going to type it in, and then right here, we're going to see description and the base info, some of what was in the config.json, and then we're going to press install, and you can display on guest dashboard, you can expose the app. I'm going to press install. And what this is doing is it's downloading it off the a registry, getting extracted, and getting it up with Docker Compose underneath, because this does use the Docker engine. And so now we have actions. So stop, open, and then set settings. And then you can also change these settings and then press update. You can also reset the app. And then you can open into the web UI. If you notice, it's not working. It's refused to connect. So if we go over to the My Apps and we go to Dozzle, and then I'm going to go to Dozzle real quick, and then 2FAuth, you'll see touch permission denied. So we're going to need to fix that. So I'm going to go backwards, and I'm going to go to 2FAuth again. I'm going to stop this. And then I'm going to SSH into my Runtipi and create that a database. So before you SSH into your Runtipi, you're going to go to settings and then settings right here, and then scroll down to storage path. And this is the path that you're going to CD into to get to the app data. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now we're SSH'd in our Runtipi, and I'm going to go to a CD and then opt and then Runtipi. So now you're going to press return or enter. So now we're inside of the Runtipi. So we're going to go to the app data right here, and I'm going to type it in. Then I'm going to see 2FAuth. And then if you go in this directory right here, you'll see that there's not any database.SQLite here. So I'm going to go backwards, and I'm going to touch, and then I'm going to go into 2FAuth, and then database.SQLite. And then now we're going to create the database. So now if you go into the 2FAuth again, you'll see that there is a database.SQLite right here. So we just created it. So we're going to go back over to our Runtipi and get the app started up. So now we're back on our Runtipi. So I'm going to go to My Apps and then 2FAuth right here. And then I'm going to press Start. Okay, so now I'm going to go to My Apps and then Dazzle and then Open. And then if you go over here to 2FAuth, you can see that it is starting up successfully now. So now we're going to go in the web UI and see if it's working. So go to My Apps and then 2FAuth down here, and you're going to open, and you're going to go to the IP right here. So now I'm going to go down to register, and then you can put a name in, and then an email, and then a password, and then we're going to say register. And then you can register device. I'm going to say maybe later. You can scan a QR code right here. You can upload a QR code. You can use advanced form, import. The settings down here. So there's quite a few settings. And the account, you can change your name, email, current password. You can put a new password in, and then confirm new password and current password, and then change password. And then the current password to delete your account, the current password to change your password, and then the current password to change your profile. And then OAuth, you can generate a new token, and then a WebAuth in, register a new device, and use WebAuth in only. And then you can go down to admin right here, and you can get the admin settings right here, and then change some things in here. And then you can also go over the users. You can create a new user. You can search the users, and then you can manage the current users. So that's a little bit about 2FAuth. So there you have it. I installed 2FAuth on Runtipi using BigBearRuntipi. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or any community support, you can go into the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.